Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide apps on your Samsung Galaxy device. So let's start. First open the Settings app and tap on Display. Now scroll down and tap on Home Screen. Now scroll down again and you'll see Hide Apps. Tap on that. I had already hidden some apps, so I'll just remove them. Now tap on the apps you want to hide. When you are done, tap Done at the bottom of the screen. Now open the home screen and you'll see the apps are hidden. But if you search them at the search bar at the top of the screen, you'll see the apps. Now let's unhide the apps. Go back to Settings, tap on Home Screen, scroll down and tap on Hide Apps. Now just simply tap on the Hidden Apps icon. Now tap Done at the bottom of the screen. And that's how you hide and unhide apps on your Samsung Galaxy device. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.